Today I'm talking about Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? The Pythagoras theorem is a geometric theorem that states that the sum of the square of the two sides of a right angle triangle is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. The formula of the theory is a square plus b square equals to c square, where c is the hypotenuse and a and b are the other two sides. And it goes like this. C is equals to square root of a square plus b square, or c square is equals to a square plus v square. Okay, now let us make it more realistic. C, this is the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. A and B are the other two sides of the triangle. So, to make the theory more realistic, let us solve a mathematics like this. For example, A is equals to 6 centimeter, B equals 8 centimeter, C equals to what? So if you follow it this way, the theory says C equals to square root of A plus B, A square plus B square. The square root of both of them make up C. Or it can be C square is equals to A square plus B square. Whichever way we use it, is still going to arrive at the same answer. Okay, let us use the first formula, C. Okay, now A is equals to 6 centimeters, B equals to 8 centimeters, and C is not, we are looking for C now. What is it? That C is called the hypotenuse. We are looking for C now. Okay, now let us use the first formula, this one. C equals to square root of 6 square, which is A, plus 8 square. This is square root, which is equals to 36 plus 64, all square root, which is equals to square root of 100. Square root of 100, which is equals to 10 centimeters. That is this formula. Okay, let us use the other formula. C square is equals to A square plus B square. C square is equals to 6 square plus 8 square. C square is equals to 36 plus 64, because 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64. So C square is equals to 100. C is equals to square root of 100, which is equals to 10 centimeters. So you can see, whichever formula we use, the first formula or the second formula, we are still going to arrive at the same answer, 10 centimeters. So if you check the options here, A 6, B 8, okay, let me make it centimeters. centimeters, centimeters, centimeters. So if you check the options here, A, B, C, D, you will see that C is the answer because we have already used the Pythagoras theory and we have gotten our answer there. So the answer is C, which is 10 centimeters. That is the answer. So this is how to solve the Pythagoras theorem. But there are still other ways to solve Pythagoras theorem because it's not in all cases that you must get a round figure. For example, square root of 100 is 10, square root of 36 is 6, square root of 64 is 8, something like that. So square root of 9 is 3, square root of 9 is 3, so something like that. But it's not in all cases. Square root of 16 is 4. Not in all cases. There are some cases you have odd numbers that are not square like that. But in that case, what do? You have to look for the square root. For example, they said square root of 16 plus a different figure. So after you've arrived at your answer, you say square root of. If you don't know the square root of head, then you can just say square root of C, of A plus B equals to C. So you can just leave it like that, or you can do the mathematics to get the square root. Then it will now come in fractions, in little fractions. But to make it much easier, this is the first step. So maybe next time I discuss about Pythagoras theory, I will solve a mathematics where it does not really have to be real numbers like this. For example, square root of 100 is 10, square root of 64 is 8, square root of 36 is 6, something like that. It doesn't only happen like that. But for today, I have to do it this way. So maybe next time I will do another Pythagoras theory. Then I will teach you how it comes about. Thank you very much for listening. And please share this mathematics so that those who are learning mathematics, especially the junior ones, can learn from it. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Thank you. Bye-bye.